Hello.
It's a beautiful day. It's not it.
Yes, the sun is
Sign. I love sunny days.
me too. They make.
Me happy. Do you like nature?
Yes, I love nature.
Me too. Nature is peaceful.
I like going outside.
What do you like to do in nature?
I enjoy walking in the.
Forest. Forests are so calm.
Yes, and I love the sound of.
Birds. Me too. Birds sing so nicely.
Do you go for walk of?
Fun is almost every weekend.
That's great. Walking is healthy.
And it's good for the mind.
Yes, I feel relaxed in nature.
Have you seen a sunrise?
Yes, once on the beach.
That sounds beautiful.
I was. Its sky was orange.
In